Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Coinbase. We click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will click here in this page. Then you will search about Coinbase app and you will click. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store and then you will update your app of Coinbase. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.